Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to turn on and install events on the application of Xbox. To know how to turn on and install events on the application of Xbox, you should just go to the app of Xbox as you see. After that, in this page, you will go down to find this window here and you will enter. Then this page, we go to above to this sign of settings. Then in this list, we go to click notifications. Here we go to click in this sign. If the sign change the green color, then you can know how to turn on install events on the application of Xbox. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.